Today I want to talk to you about the power of manifestation. Manifestation is the act of bringing something into reality through the power of your thoughts and beliefs. The first step to manifesting anything is to have a clear and specific goal in mind. This means knowing exactly what it is that you want to manifest and being able to visualize it in your mind. Once you have a clear goal in mind, the next step is to believe that it is possible. This means having faith in yourself and in the universe to bring your goal to fruition. It is also important to take action towards your goal. This means taking practical steps to make your goal a reality. It is not enough to simply think about what you want, you must also put in the work to make it happen. Be open to the possibilities and be ready to adapt to the opportunities that come your way. Sometimes things may not happen in the way you expect, but be open to the opportunities that come your way. Remember that manifestation is not just about getting what you want, but also about becoming the person you need to be in order to attract and create the things you desire. Finally, be patient and persistent. Manifestation takes time and effort, and it's important to remember that it's a journey, not a destination. Believe in yourself, believe in the power of manifestation, and most importantly, never give up on your dreams.